the first to know in Nsem-Pii TV.
And urban semana Kingsford Bagbin etimi a declare seat Marco 4 vacant. Ninyina a motion a former minority leader Yura Haruna Idrisu Edebabeto na nim se sede emrano etrese untimi enko independent candidate e wabra osaye NP edema political party bi enti enya ade se e wose emrano ema ho kwan no nam so ema urban semana Kingsford Bagbin enra otimi ebe redeem judgment se sa motion no Yura Haruna Idrisu Edebabeto parliament no anim no meno kasa de wagiatum ojina ne tumi so etimi a declare seat mako for vacant na yebekai before kransa na urban semana Kingsford Bagbin ede ne judgment eba beba no na Alexander Afenyomakin etimi aboshi akopie mu ewo Supreme Court na me no kasa de Supreme Court ede na temu nso etimi aba na yenkotie.
So what has yet happened in the Supreme Court is that the Supreme Court presided over by Chief Justice Gertrude Sokono 5-0 unanimously. They have decided to stay the decision of the Chief of Parliament declaring forces vacant. The court said real issues of natural justice, as in these 4 MPs were all not given a fair hearing, were not yet. And so the matter also has to do with representation. The ability to represent their constituents also not taking cognizance of. And see, even though the lawyers for Alexander Afenyomakin asked for an interim injunction of 10 days, the Supreme Court, in their wisdom, panel chaired over by the Chief Justice herself, decided to grant the injunction until the full determination of the suit. And so, what they have done now is to restore the status quo. That is, all those 4 members of Parliament have been directed to actually allow them to perform their duties as members of Parliament until the full determination of this suit. The case was made by Afenyomakin and his lawyers, led by Ay3de and Jogate Court in there, to make the case that these are serious issues, that they do not believe the Speaker of Parliament had the power to act the way he purported to have acted. And the Supreme Court has largely agreed with them, so much so that they have given them more than they requested for. They requested for 10 days interim injunction. Courts now granted the injunction up until the full determination. But they have made some consequential orders that the Speaker of Parliament and the Attorney General must file their statement of case in 7 days. On the filing of the statement of case in 7 days, all the parties would have to find a joint memorandum in 7 days so that the matter will be expeditiously delivered.
What it now means, say, MPs, were all the 4 MPs not present at the Supreme Court?
No, they were not. In fact, this action was not started in their name. Afenyomakin filed this action as a citizen of Ghana.
As a citizen of Ghana, okay.
About a breach of the Constitution.
Of the Constitution, that's fine.
In his words, allegation.
That's fine.
So that is what he came to court to do. The court has granted that, and the court has directed Speaker of Parliament and Parliament as an institution to allow these 4 MPs to do their work, because the Supreme Court also did what they call the balance of abilities, to say that ultimately, if this case is decided and it ends up in the favor of the Parliament of Ghana and the Speaker's ruling, the Speaker can just go ahead and enforce the ruling.
Yeah.
But if it goes against the Parliament of Ghana, by which time these members would have been denied the right and opportunity to represent their constituents, that would be irreparable damage, for which reason they balance the probability and have granted an injunction.
A balance of convenience. Balance of convenience, yeah.
Okay.
But that's okay. What it means, they say, and I don't know, was the Parliament of Ghana represented by a council?
No, this was an ex-parte application, which means that it is only the lawyers for the applicants who were heard in court, and that is why they actually asked for 10 days, because the normal learning is that ex-parte injunction of this sort only subsists for 10 days, after which you come for a repeat on notice. But the court, in its own wisdom, decided that this is a very important matter, for which reason they have granted it up until the end of this case, and the full determination is done.
Video now was sending lawyer Jogate in the full robe. I'm not representing Afenyomakin.
He was part of the legal team. He did not make any argument in court, but he was seated right beside Ay3de, the same lawyer that is representing Richard Alaska in the anti-LGBTQ case. But he was here as part of the legal team, but did not make any representation in court today.
Very well. Kweku, my yana si bibia ni a yebesi aba bedi nkomo bi Kweku as
MPP konya no MPP konya ewo mu ye mienu ent kotin kro baako ana afei NDC so de baako sa ana akwakoye Amafi Central emra shebedwani NDC near or deba parliament or no say or call content crow and then speaker Jim Reckon kind Nsem-Pii ni so ene ne ti ase wo constitution mu na wie ya no de odiba wie ya ni se de ebi ka se onwako tintim se oba parliament se oye content crow na say wako join amanyopu no ana se oba parliament wa amanyopu bi din mu na ene o se ofo content crow no eye dachi assembly 2025 dachi assembly no ya de se ewo equate ewo current parliament is so no yewa ababa be say enye standard se ono ne ti attention na ni ti se si ata ye ka say de emra se be ja for mako enan ya de se o si on akonya won ti so no won abo won ntu say won say won join ni ara se party pro ana say won join ni party ana won kokotiko eni ti won ni wo kwan say 8th Parliamentary asitra akano 129 esigo ebiem Amafi Central ana afi so eye formina abato persuasion ba se bidwani eye so hu abato persuasion persuasion ana afi so eye yamame eye Morrison Cynthia Morrison ono so ne persuasion o eye won mienu yi anasa onipa enan speaker say enya de say won timi efro won say won ye mra she bidwafo empiem eni eni wa tru won to ase akonwa se say na tebia mirror na asetra we wo sisi you know and there say me pie no mabeka say na me sameka say kan majority leader o jewura afenyo marking eni jane na so a o che na dwene e wo the speaker e de aka no ovia dom kuma so eye yewura atofo so ebe kire na dwene speaker wonya wie na speaker agya ya wasie no e kire say so wotla ye betra say a MPP eba be ye minority NDC eba be ye majority e wo yifidie mira
one more journey of Facebook mo am share wo Angel TV so the wo share say sia no live feed from Parliament the echoes wo sia but you may share mood no e wo ho a otumo say speaker corner smooth like unhunu say send yensin kan I say dro bia wano mu a eno enye de enye nwono wo hwe nanimu a untimi enkyere se nani age anasa ne ria ho decision no but the other side no NDC ni MPP no jubilation by yana after the declaration
mira NDC side there all budget so far MPP side so won tie mu no na won ye no na emra ye rafenyo Sarijan na so asa na we pin wa beka say dey no working na ne say speaker dey waye no fabi one ne nya adwen san say o ma Supreme Court e dey tabon ato so emma wo to asuma ye court dey auditable no enam ana say ye friend say bailiff no o say efiti na kakra wo twakwan wo parliament ha saa say wo per parliament aserve wo ye speaker office onya parliament akasa no department the president legal one wa ehwe parliament embrasem so no o twa no for won nya enro ko no enkonfo ni nya kwan etimi mu abeye juma no tina ko hwe kwan say a speaker etimi say gina yewi sa na correct say parliament you court enitia speaker bam abitwa na no say na bi say okase enya de say wonya court order bia na oto aso ana oka na nsem na me ka say dom kuma ne de anope ya ye ba ye na me ka say ekonwasie esase nonum ya nonum ebo ye ya asa na parliament esase omira efiti anopa speaker pen ba bia ye hu no media bi ekoso ewo ye chi ya ye hotel kese ye hu na parliament ni leadership na ko speaker wanko osman na msini na keka na nisam ya bona fiti anopa no ndu a ye o say ka ye class na parliament share no mira speaker bona no 9 bopo musi madi asa wo twi ya no bewura mu ansa jemejeme no no boy ya watra ase a na sha ase so wo jemre akenkan odi sima bi ese duru mu ene kenkan ne nsema wakuchie no etire mu a wie ye osi ni poste de wo bi ka se eye featureless se on daache ene ye no enye sa netie ono ne ti ase mu no eye now siri sa enipa enan edisi ni baako MPP mienu country crop baako no eye ade se akonwa a wo teso no wodi play no record mira
Prince mekaisa mene wadi sankomo yi ewo phone so agya chinje pa e fa scenario se mafaka se medeka no ekọ kurowe so meteka no mu a adwensa kira ba nemum ka no se edimi kokodu adwensa kira ba ne se bra me fro ka na me ye kotoko supporter ba ye kona masesa me ho se me supporto ebia bio but anam say e fa me free hanti said me kokodru me destination me sia na me kom baby MPs ni wura mu a chese o mu wura mu etika no mu ka ni nyankosi ye ne de na chese yesese wo mu koso a etena mu akopem say kosi wie na wo san aba on san emfru bio e ba ne san na chinje se say akodan ni akoye say
mira mama na wase na you asam na na who say NGTV there energy for you na just we be in general na diemu ama say onwa ye nim say you from minority you from majority me that can be what me say so wo mu a
I know one so the can be so majority and minority na fit transform me
mira but they say more minority and more majority your majority but udinu
yeah family Dr. Bafo for Ikrom
no
yeah
the sick I'm not saying you're phone na ya born na situ MPP mamonyo komienu ana country club akọ ana okam ho ana mo miki they say you shot there some numbers no so better ama mo beba we minority na na so we majority
social in that sense there in terms of the numbers there sana obetumi akam but so share issues are raising any issues are the Babako, Babisiki, the proper interpretation of constitution area, and maybe we are say, but at the end of the day, no, nothing will change. Say we are still the majority. But if you want to do the arithmetic now, there, it's now which we are
no, no issues are also. Ebe mama sari simuno eni nchebi munina so no court na moko
of course so the constitution so the Supreme Court is the final arbiter of law you know say assembly ba na say ewo oman emra nim emra kuni nim and amoka say constitution nim na say entiase bi nim na BBS dia ye wonyina so say etime corner ye bisa Supreme Court no interpreting law ni as to whether say will be a member of parliament sitting not say about the ticket of party be that within that parliament on also carpet not that election be also obeko intent to be contested that election be that election and farming matter parliament with and then they call the next parliament whether that decision is sufficient to say we cross the carpet. I think that's the interpretation we need from the Supreme Court.
Okay, sir, more court, Supreme Court, I could just say Chimuni. No, my young Fabia legality no entry check a cranial as a party. We a war, a foot to be a was the only a war for my two abandon, a share and it may be dance, especially some more elections.
Of course, a party be near maybe say a chair lesson. And near maybe I didn't acquire dear bufu a primary simu be a party be a nipa be she said go for yenko 2 way say because more independence in Rano more or less because of BBG no moko. So number 2 Assemblée party ni munswa yenhwe na intemono party no ntimi ensano no muni nipa na nipa o my aggrieved no enkasa because many ni say obi or party no a obesori say or for independent just like that there are bibi na city no say obeko independent and as bibi na city no say obeba party all these things you know your name see lessons but the point is that Mrado Ankasa de, me say, the intent of the law, no, say, that should be Mijra, now me say, me contest independent, that's here. And I'm saying, me what my intention to the Neno, as I said, but practically said, the outcome, political parties will share with you. Now, Yamanyo Assembly said, the Beya, near maybe, and to see that. Same thing to me.
No, answer me be a Mercono. My Mr. Wee, the Epoba said, Speaker Jay, Ejina. For soon be you know, Aka, some of Parliament, you do dear. They say budget to cry Baba, I'm assuming me a city and in budget, Baba, and Fanny Ako. Not say minority, ever for me majority, governors, not for saying, only saying.
Oh, Shane, what shall be? And they do on one will cross the bridge. What I say, and they do, I will cross the bridge. You know, governors said, they say, near me, say, Yama, mine, you the member parliament. BBS parliament, you better check Ghana for. Beginning say, do baby or I don't want to believe, say, and near me, Bayama Ghana for Nama man, your same thing, you better action and I believe. But when we get there, we cross it. You say, you knew what I cannot speculate now.
The Crockramu, the speaker, I can really near the now to an OT, engineer, and who speak us away.
Oh, or no, I'm running no working time. Basement here and said a mechanic 4 years ago said, I did not agree with Speaker Michael Quinn. And ye declare for me that seat in this vacant. The same and in Yasona and that's which say that ruling, say, will be a contest election. That's the present parliamentary or the party be by Monodia. Now say no amount to crossing the carpet there. Me say the me feel say 77 just seen him.
But I'm not be longer. Mira, but we for promotion with Janine and not to check for one. But to it, yes, you ask them so I'm a medium.
I Prince Mouse says, yes, I see our sorry. Cecilia Mouse says, Speaker, sorry, Ama Yadimez, no, Edin and Nim, Ama will peer every chamber hall. And she share one must say, one more incoming majority, if it is so. The woman so I've been here. What the kind incoming minority for no, it be Akasa, me incoming majority. That is all things being equal. When you be a Prince, you want my game, Mammy, majority for no, as I say, I am minority. No, say, oh, you're minority, the amount of power cut. It's minority for the PPP degree, America, and MPP for the silver PPP degree. And I'm this majority for also a form of one journey, send a year on between or new Kinuvano every year. It is so a book you won't say. Menya will be at me, am I no Akasa, na Yasha say, we beat me at the assembly for. It is my answer, may back me. Okay, Prince, I want to say, yes, I said, you beat me, no, I don't like to start on it. I thought we see that. Yes, okay.
No comment, no comment. No comment.
Oh, no comment.
No comment.
Oh, comment.
Also, Kakusiana, or the African Yamabi. Yes, I said so. I wouldn't be to yeah. Oh, yeah. I said, no, I already said, all back to second here. That's my, yes, I said, I don't majority leader, and a new majority leader of the Parliament of the new majority. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go back. Let's from the